Let's start this video. In this video, I am going to discuss about 60 more important MCQ from Unit 4, 5 and 6. Let's start with question number 1. What is the primary function of an expert system? To process large dataset. Option B, to simulate the decision making ability of a human expert. C, to perform image processing. D, to manage database. The answer is option number B. Second, which of these characteristics of an expert system? Random decision making, limited to numerical data, reliable and consistent responses, works without user input. The answer is option number C. What is the role of the inference engine in an expert system? To provide a user interface, to store data, to apply logical rules to derive conclusion, to display graphical output. The answer is option number C. Next question. Which component store domain specific knowledge in an expert system? Option A, user interface, inference engine, knowledge base, explanation facility. The answer is option number C, knowledge base. Next question. What type of knowledge is stored in an expert system? Option number A, procedural only. Option B, declarative only. Option C, both. Option D, graphical knowledge. The answer is option number C, both procedural and declarative. Next question. Which programming language was used to develop MYCIN? Python, Java, Lisp, Prolog. The answer is option number C, Lisp. What was the purpose of a Dendral expert system? Diagnose lung diseases, analyzing organic molecules, diagnosing bacterial infection, financial forecasting. The answer is option number B. What is knowledge acquisition in an expert system? Testing the system, gathering and structuring expert knowledge, designing user interfaces, maintaining databases. The answer is option number B. Which is a major application domain for expert system? Video editing, medical diagnosis, graphic design, web development. The answer is option number B, medical diagnosis. Next question. Which tool helps in building rule-based expert system in Java? A, Clips, Rules, Lisp, PyClips. The answer is option number B, Rules. Which system was designed for diagnosing lung diseases? Dendral. Option number B, PXDAS, MYCIN, CADU-CUS. The answer is option number B. What is the primary limitation of expert system? They cannot make decisions. They cannot adapt to new information easily. They are always correct. They do not use rules. The answer is option number B. Next question. What is a common pitfall in expert system development? Option A, over-reliance on manual calculation. Option B, incomplete knowledge acquisition. Option C, lack of programming languages. Option D, excessive user input. The answer is option number B. What is the expert system life cycle's final stage? Design, development, maintenance and updating, knowledge acquisition. The answer is option number C, maintenance and updating. Which expert system is used for thermodynamic modeling? These four options: MYCIN, CADU-CUS, CADID and PXDEC. The answer is option number C, CADID. Question 16. What does the explanation facility do in an expert system? Store rules, provide reasoning behind conclusion, edit data, execute commands. The answer is option number B. Which of these tools is a rule-based expert system shell? Photoshop, JAS, Excel, SQL. The answer is option number B, JAS. What is the key benefit of expert system? They are subjective, they are biased, they are consistent, they lack rules. The answer is option number C, they are consistent. What is an example of a knowledge engineering language? Prolog, HTML, CSS, XML. The answer is option number A, Prolog. What does a user interface in an expert system enable? Storing data, interacting with users, deleting knowledge, analyzing algorithm. The answer is option number B, interacting with users. Now moving to the next question. What is fuzzy logic used for? Exact computation, handling uncertainty and imprecision, managing structured data, solving linear equation. The answer is option number B. What is the first step in a fuzzy system? Aggregation, defuzzification, fuzzification, rule evaluation. The answer is option number C. What technique uses a bell-shaped curve for fuzzification? Singleton fuzzification, triangular fuzzification, Gaussian fuzzification, trapezoidal fuzzification. The answer is option number C, Gaussian fuzzification. What is the role of defuzzification? Convert fuzzy outputs into crisp value, create fuzzy rules, increase fuzziness, delete data. The answer is option number A, which is convert fuzzy output into crisp values. Which defuzzification method finds the center of gravity? Option A, bisector method, maximum membership principle, centroid method, weighted average method. The answer is option number C, centroid method. Which model uses a weighted average of rule output? Mamdani model, Larsen model, Tsukamoto model, TSK model. The answer is option number D, TSK model. What is the final step in the fuzzy inference process? Fuzzification, rule designing, defuzzification, aggregation. The answer is option number C, defuzzification. What is the characteristic of a Mamdani model? Produces crisp output, uses fuzzy sets for both inputs and output, use mathematical function for output, no need for defuzzification. The answer is option number B, uses fuzzy sets for both input and output. Next question 29. In fuzzy logic, what does the inference engine do? Create rules, apply rules to derive conclusion, convert fuzzy data into crisp data, store membership function. The answer is option number B, applies rules to derive conclusion. Which model uses product inference instead of min-max? Mamdani model, Larsen model, Tsukamoto model, TSK model. The answer is option number B, Larsen model. 31. What is fuzzification? Converting fuzzy data into crisp data, converting crisp data to fuzzy data, creating inference rules, aggregating output. The answer is option number B. What shape is used in triangular fuzzification? Bell-shaped, linear with a peak, flat top, exponential. The answer is option number B, linear with a peak. Which model produces a crisp output for each value? Mamdani model, Larsen model, Tsukamoto model, TSK model. The answer is option number C. What is the main purpose of a recommendation system? Data encryption, suggestion relevant item to user, image recognition, network security. The answer is option number B, suggesting relevant items to user. Which type of filtering uses items attribute for recommendation? A, collaborative filtering, B, content based filtering, C, hybrid filtering, D, model based filtering. The answer is option number B, content based filtering. What is a cold start problem in recommendation system? Slow system response, difficulty recommending for new users or item, inaccurate recommendation, lack of storage space. The answer is option number B. What are the three main types of relationship in recommendation system? User product, product product, user user. User user, data user, system user. User input, product output, system user. System data, data input, output, user. The answer is option number A, user product, product product, user user. What type of data is collected from user interaction such as clicks and purchases? A, demographic data, behavioral data, product attribute data, system data. The answer is option number B, behavioral data. What is an example of an explicit rating? Clicks, purchase history, start rating or reviews, views. The answer is option number C, star ratings or reviews. What issue does collaborative filtering suffer from when new users are added? Data overload, cold start problem, memory leak, excessive computation. The answer is option number B, cold start problem. Which method recommends item based on user item interaction data? A, content based, B, collaborative, C, hybrid, D, product based. The answer is option number B. What is the primary advantage of content based filtering? No need for product description, work well with new items, requires fewer computation, doesn't suffer from sparsity problem. The answer is option number B. Next question. Which filtering technique is based on similarities between users? Content based, product based, user based, collaborative, metric factorization. The answer is option number C, user based collaborative filtering. Next question 44. What is the term used for recommending item based on item similarity? User based, product product, model based, memory based. The answer is option number B, product product. What does TF-IDF stand for? Remember this full form of TF-IDF. Option number A, term frequency index data file. Option number B, term frequency inverse document frequency. C, total frequency inverted data factor. D, text format inverse data function. The answer is option number B. Which recommendation approach lies on item description and attributes? Collaborative, content based, hybrid, metric. The answer is option number B, content based. What is the primary disadvantage of collaborative filtering? A, requires item attributes. B, cold start and sparsity problem, difficult to implement, high computational cost. The answer is option number B, cold start and sparsity problem. What does the mean normalization technique help with in recommendation system? filtering spam data, balancing user rating, speeding up computation, improving data storage. The answer is option number B, balancing user ratings. What problem occur when a recommendation system can't handle new or real user behavior? A. Data bias, gray sheet problem, overfitting, cold start problem. The answer is option number B, gray sheet problem. Next question 50. What is a hybrid recommendation system? Uses only user rating, combines collaborative content-based filtering, ignores new data, uses only explicit rating. The answer is option number B. Which filtering method does Netflix primarily use? Option A, collaborative, option B, content-based, option C, matrix, option D, rule-based. The answer is option number A. What ethical concern is related to data privacy in a recommendation system? Slow computation, user data exploitation, lack of accuracy, cold start problem. The answer is option number B. 53. What does the user-user relationship in a recommendation system focus on? A. Similarities between product, B. Preferences of similar user, C. Product description, rating of different items. The answer is option number B. Which technique help a recommendation system suggest new releases effect? Collaborative, content-based, matrix, mean. The answer is option number B. What is the gray sheet problem in a collaborative filtering? Users have too much data. Users have unique preferences that don't align with others. System overload, duplicate recommendation. The answer is option number B. Which type of data helps the system understand the user demographics? A. Product attribute data, user behavior data, user demographic data, system data. The answer is option number C. What is the primary goal of a recommender function? To filter spam data, to predict user rating for item, to store large data sets, to delete duplicate item. The answer is option number B, to predict user ratings for item. What is the key feature of item-based collaborative filtering? Option A, recommending based on user preferences, finding similar products to recommend, using demographic data, matrix factorization. The answer is option number B. What techniques used to handle text data in recommendation system? Mean normalization, TF-IDF, fuzzification, rule designing. The answer is option number B, TF-IDF. What helps ensure the ethical use of recommendation system? Fast computation, clear explanation, privacy protection and fairness. Option C, cold start solution. Option D, reducing item data. The answer is option number B, which is clear explanation, privacy protection and fairness. This was all about total 60 questions we have completed. We cover all the last 3 units. Thank you for watching the video.